Well, looks like here in Texas, man, they don't care about these old 70s land yachts, man. They just junk them. Yeah. 1973, I believe. Ford LTD Brougham. Look at that. Look at that thing. 2 tons of fun. I guess 2 tons, right? Look at this thing. Whew, man. Man, a busted turn signal there. Look at that front end. Oh. Looks pretty straight to me. Yeah. A little damage here. It's been repainted, looks like. At top. Starting to flake up here. I can see it. Yeah. Nice little porthole window there. But I mean, come on, look at that. I mean, it's understandable, right? If it'd be a 4-door, I mean, she's. I mean, you know, a lot of people don't care for the 4-doors, but here's the back of it. So she wasn't wrecked or anything. How's this tail panel here? Looks decent. You know, faded but decent. LTD there. That's the this part here is a rubber part here, like a filler panel. All looks loose. Those bumperettes. This one's a little messed up there. Yeah. But where's the on that side here. Yeah. But yeah, that bumper, man, look at it. It's pretty straight. I think she had some body work though. You can think you can kind of see it. Yeah, she had some body work. Still though. See some bubbling here. I think all the glass is good on this thing, except the windshield's got some chips in it. Hood's got some dents in it, I can see. But man, look at that. That looks pretty badass. I like that front end. Yeah. Grill looks good. Missing the O there. Yeah. Missing this piece here that was broken off. But still, man, you know. Take a look under the, in the trunk. I came out here on Saturday, right? They're not open on Sundays. Full set of the hubcaps. And as soon as I go to make a video, my phone freaking dies. This thing is, today is Amazon Prime Day, man. I'm gonna look to get me something. Phone, GoPro, something. Yeah, because this is ridiculous. That's ridiculous. Like I say, it looks pretty solid for the most part. Under here, yeah. This was somebody's project. It's got some rust here, though. Yeah, this is somebody's project. Take a look underneath. That looks like a new. Almost looks like a new fuel tank, man. Damn, it does, doesn't it? Kinda. I don't know if it is. Dual exhaust on it. Yeah, look at that. Like cheapy mufflers, though. Can I turn this? No. Should be able to, though, unless it's got the brake, parking brakes on. Yeah, she looks solid underneath, man. Heck yeah. So not all rusted out. The top may be the worst of it. Over here. The floors look good too. Yeah, this thing's solid underneath anyways. Wow. Yeah. Whew. And on the inside, Brougham. Missing this piece here. There's the shrouds here. It's like they were recovering the humongous extra long armrest. Yeah, there's your sun visors. Man, it's a nice looking sun visor. That one too. Yeah, clean, man. There's your trim. There's the headliner. I don't know what condition that's in, but yeah, this car was nice, man. I mean, you know, okay, up there, you know, the sun got it, but still though. Here, I think that's a different. Is that a different carpet or is that original? I don't know. That panel over there looks decent too. Yeah. This front seat, got a rip here, but still for the most part, this is loose right there. But for the most part, yeah, got a little rip there too. But not bad. A little rip there also. Not bad, not bad. A little seat here. Sit down on it. I think that's about all she goes. Covered the dash with some, what's that, carpet material or something? I don't know what that. Anything in here? Anything? Nah. Nothing in the glove box. That's a sticker. What do they have? Hornet Auto Security. Duralast. What we got here? Temperature control. Got another one here. I don't know what the deal was there. Nothing there. So they cut out the bezel and put an aftermarket radio in it. What's the mileage on this? See that? Yeah. Let's clean this lens. Maybe this lens getting dull. Sorry about that. Let me see if I can get a better look of it. It's just this here. Yeah. But it is hot, man. Oh, man. Whoa. Middle of summer and it is blazing hot here in Fort Worth. Outskirts of Fort Worth. Yeah. Date at 10/72. There's the VIN on it. You see that? Guess you can see it there too. And I think that other side, that door's tweaked right there. Oh yeah, she opened up though. Yeah. Yeah. Man, this is a solid car. Look at that. I got it closed nice. Heck yeah. Under the hood. Well, actually, you know, Brougham, she wish she had a big block in it. Oh, probably did have a big block for it to. I didn't run any of the numbers, but for them to take the drivetrain out, I doubt if it would have been, you know, anything with a big engine. Maybe it was running nicely, running, you know, whatever it was under here. Like I said, didn't run the numbers on it, but not really much else to speak of. It was a factory AC car, obviously, and we got power steering, power brakes. Man, this is one heavy hood. Well, I guess I'd just look underneath here. Yeah, that's solid, man. Solid. This thing could have been on the road easily. Well, I guess there it goes, man. Another one bites the dust. Another Ford land yard. All right, man. I am out.